All right, folks, let's dive into the spicy world of sexting on Telegram. Whether you're trying to spice up your relationship or just having some flirty fun, these tips will help you get it right. First things first, always start with consent. Make sure your partner is on the same page and comfortable with sexting. A simple, "Hey, are you okay with sexting?" can go a long way. Consent is sexy. Now, let's talk about setting the mood. You want to build anticipation. Start with a compliment. Something like, "I've been thinking about you all day," or "You look so hot in that photo you sent." Keep it genuine and personalized. Next, use descriptive language, and paint a picture with your words. Instead of just saying, "I want you," try something like, "I can't stop imagining how your lips would feel against mine." Be specific and detailed. Timing is crucial. Don't rush it. Let the conversation build up slowly. It's like a dance. Give and take. Respond to their cues and go with the flow. The emojis can be your best friend. Use them to add a playful and fun element to your messages. A well-placed winky face or fire emoji can do wonders, but don't overdo it. Balance is key. Be mindful of your photos and videos. Only share what you're comfortable with. And remember, once it's out there, you can't take it back. Telegram has a self-destruct timer feature, so use it for extra security. Humor can be a great icebreaker. A playful joke or a cheeky comment can lighten the mood and make the conversation more comfortable. Just make sure it's appropriate and consensual. Now, let's get into some examples. 1. Start with a tease. "I can't stop thinking about what I'd do to you if I was there right now." 1. Build anticipation, so imagine my hands slowly running down your back. 1. Keep it playful. "What are you wearing right now?" Or, "I bet you can't guess what I'm thinking about." Remember, the key is to keep it fun and consensual. Communication is everything. If at any point your partner seems uncomfortable, stop and check in with them. And that's it. Follow these tips and you will be a sexting pro on Telegram in no time. Stay safe, have fun, and keep it respectful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.